Hey Royals, just pause with me for a moment while this little snack comes together. I've realized the kitchen can be one of the calmest spaces we have. A place where we can breathe, reset, and just be ourselves for a second. You know, as women, we move through our days carrying so much grace and strength without even noticing it. Even with everything we juggle, we still find ways to care for ourselves and the people we love. Most days, we handle it so naturally that we forget how powerful we really are. Lately, I've been learning that life in your mid 20s and early 30s is such a rich, evolving season. You are stepping into responsibility with confidence while still discovering parts of yourself. And that's beautiful. We don't need every detail of our life perfectly mapped out. We are allowed to grow into things at our own rhythm. Some days dinner is planned, plated, and Pinterest cute. Other days it's simple, nourishing, and exactly what the moment calls for. And both days matter. Our worth isn't tied to the meals or how much we've accomplished. It's something we carry within us. One thing that's helped me is creating small routines that support my world. Not perfect routines, but peaceful ones. Sometimes it's prepping ingredients the night before. Sometimes it's choosing simple meals when life is full. And sometimes it's taking 10 quiet minutes for myself. What I've learned is this: the little things matter. Tiny habits bring so much peace. And as you watch this video, take a second to appreciate yourself. Thinking about how many times you've done this, fed your family, created comfort, brought warmth into your home. I think cooking is more than food. It's love language. It's one of the quiet ways we nurture the people we care about. That makes you valuable in the deepest way. Ask yourself this: when was the last time you truly check in with you? Not as a mom, not as a partner, or as an employee, but as the woman you really are. I've had to relearn that myself. We deserve to feel proud of ourselves, not just for the big achievements, but for the everyday victories no one sees. The times we showed up tired, the times we practiced patience, the days we kept going with love in our hearts. Those are wins and they deserve recognition. For the moms, it's okay if your home is full of toys, noise, and the beautiful chaos of life. That's where real memories are made, the kind your heart will treasure later. And for every woman listening, protect your spirit. Pour into yourself with the same intention and love you give to everyone else. Nourishing meals matter, but so do boundaries. A clean home matters, but so does a peaceful mind. So keep showing up for yourself. Keep choosing what feels right and healthy for you. Keep believing in the woman you are growing into because she's worth it, and so are you.